2024 Honda Accord Oil Life Reset. We're going to use the steering wheel button right here. We're looking at the cluster right here, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down, and right here where it says maintenance, this is not where we're going, but this is what we're trying to reset, is the 70% to 100%. You're going to go down to settings. That's what you're going to. Now press that button, that wheel button in. Scroll down until you see maintenance reset. All right, we'll just go all items due today, and that will reset your oil life. We'll just check it real quick to 100%. All right, well, that's it for this video here. If you could be so kind to subscribe. I got a bunch of quick videos on my channel, just like this one, how to do the cabin filter, replace your key battery. So check that out if you want a quick and easy video on how to do that. And support the channel by hitting the like button and leave me a comment if you could. Thank you.